And you have to pay attention and know exactly what buttons to push, because it's not the buttons that necessarily appear when you turn on the calculator. Okay, so here is the process. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do when you use your TI89 to solve a linear system is you have to go to a custom menu. Okay, there's step one. Find your custom menu. Your custom menu is found by hitting the second button followed by the home button. And now notice your tabs at the top of the screen when you push that. And so if I hit second home, what happened to my tabs at the top? And normally F2 is the algebra tab, F3 is the calculate tab, but when I hit second function home, those all change. What becomes my solve tab? It's no longer F2. Okay, so we're going to use the custom solve key, which is now F3. And so when I hit F3, what you can see here is it gives you a template for solving a system of equations. So we're going to go down to number 4 here and use the template. And so we're going to use this template for the systems of equations solver. You see that it gives you the form that you need. All you have to do is move your cursor before the and after the and you type in the equations exactly as they appear. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to solve anything. You don't have to do multiple steps or any of that. All you need to do is find this custom solve feature, move your cursor over, and you're going to enter each equation. Okay, so my first equation, in the form that it appears, x plus y equals 1. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to put it in slope-intercept form. Don't need to move anything. Just type it exactly as it appears. Okay, make sure there's a space between the and. Move to the end right before the comma. So again, there needs to be a space between the and, or after the and. Type the other equation exactly as it appears. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. And then you're done. Hit enter. And it'll give you your solution. In this case, 3, negative 2. And so that would be your solution. Okay. Questions on that process or those steps?
And that's just to do the same way as the other way.
Right. So when I give you a test on Chapter 7 or a comprehensive quiz, will you probably ever use the graphing method? No. There's no reason to, right? I did that first and gave you a little quiz on it first because I want you to understand what a system does. It's actually an intersection of graphs. Because now you shouldn't need that. You should just be able to go through and find the solution. Yeah. Okay. So let's try one more sample problem. And let's say I give you the following. 3x minus 2y equals 4 and x plus 3y equals 5. I want you to see if you can solve this system. Okay, so again, starting from the beginning, I'm going to go back to the menu that pops up when you turn on your calculator. Okay. You need to find your custom tabs, second home, choose the solver from the custom tabs, and go all the way down to the template, number 4. And now I can move my, Okay. So now I can move my cursor before the and, type my first equation, 3x minus 2y equals 4. Move my cursor after the and, again leave a space, and type my second equation, x plus 3y equals 5. Hit enter, and I have my solution to 1,